Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to resize multiple columns simultaneously in Google Sheets. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. Alright, so first of all, open your Google Sheets document. So normally I'm using the Chrome browser and typing on the address bar sheets.google.com. Press on enter. And after then, open your Google Sheets document where you want to adjust the column widths. So I'm choosing a blank spreadsheet here. And now select the columns you want to resize. Here, for adjacent columns, click on the letter of the first column you want to resize. And now hold down the Shift key and click on the letter of the last column in your desired range. So I'm clicking on the Shift button on my keyboard and clicking on the desired column. This will select all columns between them. And now you can resize them. On the other hand, for non-adjacent columns, normally click on the letter of the first column and now hold down the Ctrl key on your Windows or Command key on your Mac and now click on the letters of other columns you want to resize. So I'm choosing D column, holding on the Command button on my MacBook. If you are using a PC Windows, then you can press on the Control button of your keyboard. And here you can see that I have selected only two columns by this option. And now normally right click on any of the highlighted column headers. And from the context menu, select Resize the selected columns. And here set the desired column width. Enter your desired width. For example, 100 means 100 pixels. So I'm giving it 200. And clicking on this OK button to make it 200 pixels. On the other hand, if you wanna feed your data, then you can choose this box. It will automatically feed your text length. So I am choosing 200 pixels and clicking on OK. And here you can see that they have been changed. And that's all about today's video, how you can resize multiple columns simultaneously in Google Sheets. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.